Oh, hi there, everyone. Welcome to Wim's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I am your girl Norleen with another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. So come along with me in the kitchen where I will be doing for you another authentic Jamaican meal. Welcome, family and friends, to the kitchen. You don't know it going at the kitchen week after week. And to my new subscribers, big up on yourself. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You're either a family or a friend. So in the pot, people, I have a drizzle of olive oil. I will add to that 1.5 kilogram of turkey legs. People, it don't slice, it don't clean, it don't season, well marinate. So as you can see, I place them on the flat side to brown. People in the kitchen today with me is my daughter Danielle, and you will see her in the video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe before you go. And of course, if you've been watching week after week and haven't subscribed as yet, where you are, wait, pan. Remember to follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen. And remember, like my video, subscribe to my channel, of course. And at the end of the video, please share my channel with your friends. All right, people. So the assistant chef had turned over the slices and people nicely colored. I'm gonna put just a little bit of water on this, about a quarter cup. The aim of this, guys, is to slow cook it while coming to a fry so that it can color while it is being fried. So people, I'm gonna add to that some onion, some scallion, about 3 pegs of garlic, finely chopped ginger, some pimento leaf. I'm gonna cover this and make it go and cook again. But tell you, it have to cook and come to a fry. Then I add some more water. You can choose to use chicken stock, people. You're welcome to do whatever you feel like. Remember, your kitchen, you do this how you like it. All right. The food for thought today comes to us from Psalm 27, verse 1. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the strength of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? We're not afraid of nothing. Remember that the Lord is your light. You can depend on Jesus to lead you wherever you go or in every sphere of your life. Now, people, the assistant chef get busy and she said, I must check on the pot. It look good, so I cover it up and make it go and cook. So, guys, after 7 minutes, the sauce has reduced. Look at it. It's browned well. It cooked well, people, and a time for nice up the pot. Now, guys, I have to give Salad Master like a plug here, so it is not a paid advertisement. But, guys, this is my stainless steel skillet. Trust me, it makes cooking easy and flavorful. All right, people, back to the pot. So I've added some chopped potatoes, some onion, people, some tomatoes. I've added to that 2 tablespoons of ketchup, half a teaspoon of browning sauce, some slap your mama season, some black pepper, guys. And I'm just gonna allow this to simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. If you are celebrating a birthday, an anniversary, or any other extra special milestone in your life, congratulations to you and happy birthday from Wim's Kitchen. Extra special happy birthday greeting going out to my sister Marsha and my bonus niece Siobhan. They will be celebrating their birthday this week. Love, 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 love you girls. So guys, this is the moment that you've been waiting for. It is all done. It's time to plate up this baby, guys, and you'll see how inviting this looks. To my loyal subscribers, I have to big you up every week, let you know that I love, 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 and appreciate you. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe before you go. And of course, if you've been watching week after week and haven't subscribed as yet, where you are. So there it is, guys. I've garnished it with some green onions. My gosh, it's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, with the help of my daughter onto your table. Thank you for coming along with me on this my Jamaican cooking experience where I did for you cooking Jamaican style. See you next week, guys, if God's willing, right here at Wim's Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.